In this video, we're going to learn how to add a button to our VEX controller and program it. Now this is just a sample program where it starts the motor, it waits 3 seconds, and it stops the motor. Instead of having it wait 3 seconds, I'm going to have it wait until a button is pressed. Now, you need to start by taking your button and plugging it into one of the digital ports. Pay very close attention to which number digital port you plug it into. I'm going to plug mine into digital port 3. Okay, I've got my button plugged into digital port 3. Next, I'm going to set up my button. I'm going to go to Robot. I'm going to go to Motors and Sensors Setup. I'm going to tag over to Digital Sensors. So I plugged mine into 3. I'm going to name my button. I'm going to call it Button Red. And then under Sensor, I'm going to select Touch Sensor because the button's a touch sensor. Then I'm going to hit OK. So now I've got my button configured up here and it's named Button Red. Okay, I'm going to delete my wait. I'm going to replace this with an until bump command. So I'm going to go up to natural language. I'm going to go up to until. And then I'm going to grab the until bump command. Put it right in there. Now, there's 2 variables we have to put in there. Sensor port, that's going to be the name of the button, which for me is Button Red. There's also the delay milliseconds. We want to do at least 500 milliseconds because otherwise if you have a bunch of until bumps it will cause some problems. So this is 500 milliseconds, which is half a second. You can do more if you want. You could try a little bit less, but if you do too much less than a half a second, it's probably going to cause problems. Or it could potentially cause problems. Okay, and there we go. We will run our program and try that out.